This lecture is titled Ageism and Gender Disparities in Older Adults by Dr. Knox. Gender plays a significant role in the experiences and challenges faced by older adults. Research indicates that gender differences influence various aspects of aging, including health, social participation, and emotional well-being. According to Dr. Lytle and colleagues, 2018, ageism, which is defined as negative attitudes and behavior toward older adults, is a serious social issue. It is of growing concern as the population of older adults continues to increase. Research demonstrates that negative aging perceptions and aging concerns are associated with poor health and well-being among older adults. Yet few studies have examined sexual orientation or gender differences in aging perceptions and concerns among older adults.
In their article titled, Sexual Orientation and Gender Differences in Aging Perceptions and Concerns Among Older Adults, Dr. Lytle and colleagues examined aging perceptions and concerns among a national community sample. The results concluded that older women reported more aging anxiety and endorsement of aging stereotypes, while older sexual minority individuals reported heightened general aging concerns compared to their heterosexual peers. Among sexual minority participants, discrimination based on age and sexual orientation predicted greater sexual minority-specific aging concerns, anxiety, and depression. Experiencing sexual orientation discrimination buffered age discrimination's impact on sexual minority-specific aging concerns, suggesting that experiencing discrimination based on one stigmatized identity, sexual minority, may promote effective coping with discrimination based on another stigmatized identity, older adult. Conversely, age and sexual orientation discrimination had multiplicative effects on anxiety and depression.
Let us review the overall implications of gender and aging. Overall, findings point to the importance of examining sexual orientation and gender differences in aging perceptions. This will assist in fully understanding the experiences, health, and well-being of the growing older population. When it comes to health disparities, older women often face unique health challenges, including higher rates of chronic conditions and mental health issues compared to men. Gender differences in access to healthcare and social resources can exacerbate these issues. Now, in regards to social participation, studies show that social engagement varies by gender, with women generally participating more in social activities, which can enhance emotional well-being. Men may experience higher levels of isolation as they age, impacting their mental health. Socio-emotional selectivity theory suggests that older adults prioritize emotional satisfaction, which can differ by gender. Lastly, women often report higher levels of emotional satisfaction in relationships, while men may focus more on social status.